addplus is a software for technical and communication professions. It simplifies the organization of digital content, allowing you to store, manage and share it in a paperless way. Based on a multi-dynamic method, it automatically generates multiple link landing pages, which you can use to create an effective archiving system, communicating with web pages, links, attached files, vCards, or all of this together. What makes it so effective? Each landing page is customizable, can be shared with your team, and sets no limits for editable content and short URL. You can organize lists, manage deadlines, and trace documents with automatically associated QR codes. You can label a single document to view 1,000 directly from your smartphone. addplus is already all this. And tomorrow, we want to realize a new system with augmented intelligence to make traceability even more effective with quicker access to data. Instantly display information on your device by framing a document without interruptions. You'll be able to reach and share immediately documents and web pages of your creation, as well as your social media, videos, images, and much more besides. Tracking your saved content will be easier and your work smarter than ever before. This is a project you're welcome to take part in. Support it and spread it. Your contribution is important. Take a step forward. Live and work in augmented way. Discover the advantages of a smart work with addplus.